Welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got something special to talk about. The 2026 Shelby GT 350. A name that's been synonymous with raw power, track-ready handling, and American muscle heritage, the GT 350 has returned with a vengeance. Shelby and Ford have once again worked their magic, blending modern performance with classic aggression to create a car that demands attention. The heart of this beast is a naturally aspirated 5.6-liter flat-plane crank V8, an evolution of the EE2 legendary Voodoo engine. It screams all the way to an 8,500 RPM redline, producing a staggering 575 horsepower and 450 lb-ft of torque. That power is sent straight to the rear wheels through a 6-speed Tremec manual gearbox, just the way a Shelby should be. No automatic, no dual clutch trickery, just you, the clutch pedal, and the open road. One blip of the throttle, and you'll hear why this engine is so special. The high revving nature combined with the carefully tuned exhaust creates a wail that's music to any gearhead's ears. Shelby has further refined the intake and exhaust system, allowing for even crisper throttle response and better airflow, making this car feel alive under your right foot. Underneath, the GT 350 features a fully revised MagneRide suspension system. It constantly adjusts to road conditions, providing a perfect balance of comfort and handling precision. The chassis has been stiffened, and the weight has been kept in check with a mix of aluminum and carbon fiber components. The result? A car that feels planted and nimble, whether carving up back roads or attacking corners on a racetrack. Shelby didn't just focus on power and handling. They made sure the braking system was up to the task. Massive 6-piston Brembo calipers clamped down on carbon ceramic rotors up front, while 4-piston units handle the rear. Stopping power is immediate, giving you confidence to push the car harder without fear of fade. Now, let's talk about the EE2 exterior. The 2026 GT 350 retains the aggressive styling that made its predecessors iconic, but with modern refinements. The front fascia has been aerodynamically optimized with larger air intakes, a deeper front splitter, and functional hood. Vents to keep that high-revving V8 cool. The side profile showcases flared fenders that house lightweight 19-inch carbon fiber wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tie. Tires. Out back, a large carbon fiber wing and a redesigned diffuser help generate serious downforce, keeping the car stable at high speeds. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit. The seats are Recaro buckets, designed to hold you in place during spirited driving while still being comfortable enough for long road trips. The Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel feels perfect in your hands, and the analog gauges are supplemented by a customizable digital display providing real-time performance data. Shelby kept the interior simple, no excessive luxury, just the essentials for driving pleasure. Of course, modern tech hasn't been completely ignored. The 2026 GT 350 comes with Ford's latest Sync infotainment system, featuring a lightweight, track-friendly interface, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium B&O sound system are included. But let's be honest, why would you listen to music when you've got that V8 soundtrack? On the road, the GT 350 is an absolute thrill. The steering is razor-sharp, the tital suspension communicates every nuance of the pavement, and the power delivery is intoxicating. This is a car that rewards skilled drivers, demanding engagement, but delivering an unmatched experience in return. Shelby has always been about more than just numbers. It's about feeling, passion, and the connection between driver and machine. The 2026 GT 350 embodies that philosophy perfectly. It's raw, it's loud, and it's unapologetically American. This isn't just another performance car, it's a Shelby.